we're going to do our first ride on the new bridge over there.
Yeah, we're going to take a bus over around it to see what it's like. This is our first GVN. Well, so it's soon going to be the new
Grand Central Station.
Yeah. This is it right now?
Yep. We're going to go on our bus now.
So what bus are we taking, Francis?
3131. That's it right there. It's the Ulster bus there, by.
You sitting at the top, Jim?
Yeah.
Nope.
Take the bus and stay, because
Oh, okay.
this is the one where we're going to take, remember?
Oh, is that the broken one now?
What about this double decker at the top?
We're on the bus now.
Yep.
Close your door.
It is. It's always the same.
Oh my goodness. It's hot, hot, hot. Open some windows.
It is hot, hot, hot.
Oh, this one doesn't work.
Never
Epic
mind.
fail.
This one's dead.
Yep, we'll come back.
Okay, we're going to change buses again.
Try again. Careful, there's no buses pulling out there. Frances nearly lost her cap there, Jims. My hat fell off in the
I know her,
depot.
just like outside their station, and Dad just shouted, "This was dead!"
Does not like these buses. We'll try this one. Try 3149.
Yeah, that's the 3149.
Door broke.
Another dead one.
Ha. Getting plenty of fails today.
Yeah.
Maybe you can start it, Jibs.
Fire system pressure okay.
Was that a good sign?
Not necessarily. What's the fingers?
Police told us to close it. It's not closed all the way.
Another one?
Another dead one.
Take the first one that you were going to take originally.
These things about the text also, you see, so...
I know, but you see, what you have to remember is he's got the magic fingers. He used to be able to start Tom and Kathy's buses.
Just started 2764. Got a
How many times did you start 2764 like?
Don't get passing that one, I'm going to put the cover on it.
What about that goal liner?
That one there?
I've never driven that one before.
Alright.
Well, sure, you can drive one. Sure, it's not that much bigger than the other one.
Enormous.
That could be alright.
They'll be fine.
Lock down and don't move again.
To do with him?
It's not going to be long, there's somebody taking that out.
No, I think he's just to put the cover on this one, has he?
He's trying to start it from it.
Okay.
That's the kind of guy he is.
Yes, nice guy. Yay!
At least we got one that works here. That one's out of service too, isn't it?
This one?
Yeah.
I like how it's held up with. Toilet roll. Are we going to have to watch it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go up.
It's a nice view.
Holy moly.
Ow, it's
Hot. How am I sitting beside? Just Frances has got the MC. She's like, don't even think about it. Don't sit beside me.
Yep.
Right. Let's go across the bridge.
Put the aircon on.
Let's do an aircon up
I
there.
don't know, but you just need something.
This is one of the buses that's out of service.
Fair enough.
Yep.
3131, I think this one is.
Yeah, it's 3131.
At least this one started, because a lot of the out of service buses don't start.
I can kind of see why there's a big crack in the window there.
Oh god, look at that. Hope it doesn't come in top of us.
Here we go, over the bridge.
Yay! First
Wow, this
time!
is interesting. Look at the Westlink.
Wow.
So yeah, that one straight in already been there. And this here goes to the other part of the hub, to the main bus station.
Oh, we got a good
Wow,
view.
yeah.
The building work over
Oh,
there.
look at that, the trains and all the tracks and the new platform.
Oh, you get a good look at the progress. Where the trains are going to go.
Oh my goodness, what do you reckon?
It's a really nice bridge, this. You got a really good view.
You impressed?
I really am.
We've got the windows in
Oh,
the
look, you can see the windows.
Ooh, look at
Check
that.
that out.
Is that going to be the main part of it then?
Yeah.
Definitely starting to take shape, especially in this side.
The tracks are going to be on the other side of that.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's the train station that's currently going on the bus station. Over here.
Oh,
This part hasn't changed much.
No. This is still the same.
keep filming, yeah?
Yeah. Just until we get back.
Okay. I think he's just going to go around and come back in again, isn't he?
Yeah, but we can continue filming.
Now we get the view of the bridge
Oh
going
my
back.
goodness, hate. They're all going to be thinking.
Yeah, there's gonna be everybody thinking this is their bus. Sorry, people, it's not.
What's he doing? Oh, he's reversing.
He's just doing a
You're
turn.
such a goat, they're all thinking they're getting on.
I know.
They're all like, what? This bus looks broken. It's got broken
I
wheels.
got so confused.
I'm like, what?
Let's do the reverse.
No, not this bus, people.
We'll do him drive back up again.
Yeah, he's turning back around. Get a good look at it from this POV now.
So much has changed in this part.
Oh, look at this. I mean, this view is crazy.
We'll have to do it before and after, Francis.
Oh yeah.
Remember on our last drive-through?
Yeah, we did do a YouTube video going through here before construction began.
That's some size, isn't it? Like?
Isn't it? It's gonna be huge. Wow.
I still remember that being a bus depot, that part.
No.
We drove through here so many times on our special rides back in the day.
Are there going to be shops and stuff in there?
They probably are, yeah.
And that's the train lines over there, the platforms and the platforms.
Back over the bridge again.
There's where the old Westlink used to be. Whoa! Oh boy.
This is a
the
very
other side.
shaky video, so apologies like.
You see the side there going right onto the bus lane?
Oh yeah, so that's the original bus lane down there.
Yeah. Leads you over towards the Westlink.
And then we're going to do a big turn. Ooh,
Whoa.
holy molies. That's some traffic.
Isn't it?
These buses aren't the most comfortable, like, are they?
I think that's why another reason why this one's out of service too, because yeah. Doesn't have good turning like.
Oh, no, I don't like it.
Hope everyone's enjoying these videos of the progress of the construction of this transport hub. Definitely coming far now.
It is. Big changes.
Yep.
Oh my goodness, I don't like the turns in this. So what did you think?
That was a very interesting ride there, looking at the progress of
You were
it.
very impressed with it. I'll
Yeah.
have to come back in a few weeks and get another update.
Totally. Loved it. Whoa.
It's going to be weird, the trains being this side, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
It
So
is
it goes
gonna
over
be
to the
weird.
Grafton Road. Ah, it's too tickly when it does that.
It's just really vibrating right now, it's so weird.
awkward reverse, that's why. Not a bother for your daddy.
Nope. Straight in.
Impressive. Shit for a laugh. Stop!
Stop! Just kidding!
He's coming to you.
Oh my god.
He actually stopped the ball.
Checking your daddy off camera.
Sorry.
Just kidding.
Well, say okay, 11, 175, take on for
You did tell him you were going to get him back
Yeah.
for all the tricks that he doesn't use.
What did he put his digicard in?
Oh, we're going to go check.
Oh.
Right, is that us?
That's us, yep.
And we're all done.